Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure battery is above 10% and save any unsent work so you don't lose data. On your phone, swipe to open Quick Settings or Control Center. This is faster than diving into menus. Tap the airplane icon that immediately disables cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth radios. Doing this cuts transmissions to comply with flight rules and preserves battery life. Once done, confirm the icon changes color and your signal bars disappear. Once airplane mode is active, you may need Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for onboard services. Go to Settings and manually re-enable those radios if allowed by crew. You're doing this so you keep local connections without re-enabling cellular. If you rely on a Bluetooth headset, pair it now in Bluetooth settings. Pairing often requires a short press and confirmation. Make sure icons in the status bar show the radios you enabled. If they don't, toggle them off and on to reset connections. To finish, turn airplane mode off to restore cellular, then rejoin networks as needed. This sequence prevents registration errors with carriers. If a radio won't reconnect, restart the device. That clears temporary network stacks and forces fresh handshakes. If you still have trouble, toggle the specific radio, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth off and check flight crew rules before trying again. One quick tip. A reboot usually fixes lingering connectivity problems when toggles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.